Alright, what's up guys? We are here at Fujiwara Tofu Cafe here in El Monte. Today is their 3-year anniversary, so they're doing a little car meet, a few giveaways and stuff like that. So we're gonna do a little walk around. This first lineup, we have a MR2 along with a lot of 8.6s. You already know. They're already known for their 8.6s. This one is a 326 wing though. That looks pretty good. And a few newer GR86s too. Right in front of Fujiwara have all the E86s. Have a few. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Pretty cool stuff. Along with that wide body Miata. And then that Toyota that we always see everywhere too. That's pretty cool. This 8.6 is pretty cool with the wheels. I've never seen these wheels before, but it looks really good. Have the classic Fujiwara from Initial D. Looks good. This one is crazy. With the beams. It's crazy. Alright, so we're gonna do one last walk around the car meet. Over here we have the BMW wagon. I think it's slammed and clean right there. I like that a lot. And then Subaru, Civic. Pretty cool. On this side of the lot, have a bagged Lexus with the Workmeisters. Looking proper. I like it. Have the TSX wagon with the ski box. That looks sick actually. Stands down with the ski box. I like it. What do you guys think about this? This side of the lot have a bunch of Subarus. Oh, Subaru squad right here. The older generation, then that newer generation right here. Have the new GR86 looking nice. Let's take a quick picture. With the fat splitter. That's crazy. And these two cars leaving clean. Alright, and on that note, I think we're gonna head out too before the rain starts coming even more. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video. It's a little smaller meet here, but it was the 3rd year anniversary for Fujiwara, so congratulations to them. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little walk around video, and hope to see you guys on the next one.